Hey guys, it's Muse Marie. Thank you for vibing with me. And today I wanted to ask y'all a question. My question would be, what do you guys think it means if you have to go through your partner's phone? Like, what do you think it means if you wake up in the middle of the night and your significant other is rummaging through your phone? The reason why I want y'all to think about that is because what does it mean when somebody can't give you that space? Why do they feel like they need to go through your things? I think it indicates a lack of trust. In a relationship, trust is extremely important, and you shouldn't have to worry about whether or not your partner is cheating on you. Or you shouldn't have to be up thinking, oh, who is he talking to? Let me go through his phone. Let me go through his Facebook. Let me read all his likes and comments and let me see what he got going on. If you have to do that, it's not healthy because it indicates that you don't trust your partner. In a healthy relationship, neither partner should feel insecure about what the other partner is doing. You guys should be able to be open with one another. It's supposed to be you and your partner against the world, so why would you like want to doubt that person? You guys should be able to trust each other openly and work things out. We are all human. People do make mistakes. Sometimes things happen. So we have to stop bashing our partners and holding things over their head. If there was a mistake made previous in the relationship and you've decided that you're going to forgive that person and you guys are going to continue with the relationship, in order for the relationship to remain healthy, you cannot keep on bringing this hatred back up. You have to let it go. You have to work past it. You have to work through it. And that's both of you guys. That's both of you guys. Your partner needs to be able to earn your trust back. If they've done something to make you distrust them, they need to be able to give you that time, that space, that opportunity to breathe and to heal from your wound and understand that, things aren't going to be great right away, right off the bat. It's just not how things work, and it's unfortunate, but we do have to work together. A relationship is a lot of work, and trust is a key component in any relationship, whether that be a friendship, a spousal relationship, or anything. So yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know it's not healthy. If you don't trust your partner, y'all need to sit down and talk about reasons why y'all not trusting one another. Be open, have a dialogue, have a discussion. Right now we all trapped in the house, so now's a great time to talk. And try to lose some of the attitude. Try to think about things in the other person's point of view and the other person's perspective. Try to have an open conversation and don't get too heated. If it gets too heated, walk away. Try again another day, okay? But yeah, hope this helps somebody. Y'all have a blessed night. Once again, it's Muse Marie. Thank you for vibing with me. Subscribe if you want more. Bye.